Hey, Bob Parr here with TLC. We just arrived at a pool deck coating installation that we're doing for an old-time client of ours. We're down here in Annapolis. So come along. We're going to show you how we get this pool deck prepped and ready for a base coat and the flakes. Come on. We're in Annapolis today on a pool deck renovation, getting it all ground and prepped, and then we're going to start filling in all the cracks. We're going to get all this coated tomorrow, and then Saturday we'll be returning and putting a couple applications of the top coat on here. This pool looks like brand new again. What's up, Mr. Grayton?
How's it going?
How you doing, sir?
Doing good.
Lady was telling me they had a power issue. They were going to fix the breaker or something. So, I don't know if the breaker was tripped or they needed more power out here. But
I know the generator can only handle 2 people at once. And with how hot it is out today, Rudy was talking about the existing paint is really jamming up the grinders, and the generator doesn't have enough power for 2 machines at once to grind it all off.
That's right. And another guy was sick today. They don't have another generator running down here.
Yeah.
For the amount of people they have. I got you. It'd be nice though when get it all complete.
They will. All these stains and cracks will be gone. These are some pretty nasty looking stains.
Yeah.
It's not something you can just pile off after so many years of a pool cover like this.
Yeah. Alrighty. We're going to head to another job site. We were just down here today checking out this afternoon how the guys were progressing on this. It's going to look nice. It's going to look real nice when we get it all done. See, we got another generator here now. Ready? Check up on the guys and gals today. Back down in Annapolis, finishing up this pool deck we started earlier in the week. Today we're going to apply the final top coats. There was a lot of work prepping base coat and then the flakes earlier this week, and now today we're out on a beautiful day and we're going to apply the top coats. Job is really turning out nice. This pool deck was, I guess, approximately 35 years old, and had 3 coats of some sort of paint or coating on it. We ground off earlier this week. It was a lot of work prepping it, and got all that done. All the cracks, imperfections taken care of, and we flaked it with our signature Bluebird mix, which will really accentuate the home. And again, the setting here on the river, beautiful out here, beautiful setting. Alrighty, just wanted to show you guys how we finish up the pool deck, the final coatings. Really make it come together. You can give it that beautiful sheen. We're also mixing grit every application of this. We put in grit, non-slip additive. That way you can come out here barefoot and you're not slipping on this pool deck. That's not good, but we take care of that for the client. You don't have to worry about that. And it's safe out here. If he's out here by himself, but I had grandchildren over or young children over or playing around, get a wet pool deck and kids, you know what's going to happen. We don't want nobody slipping, so we add that additive into our mixes each application here, and it's really turning out sweet. Nice work by the team members here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 of them out here today putting this top coat on. It's about half a day's worth of work, but we want to get this finished up, get this client taken care of. We've got the lawn mowing crew coming on Monday, and then his pool crew coming on Monday. He wants to open his pool up. We've got plastic in it now to keep it from getting any yard debris in there. We'll take that up. We'll stop over here Monday morning and take that, remove that for one. And the pool company's coming to open his pool for the season, and lawn company's coming to mow his grass, and we'll be set to go. Hope you enjoyed a little piece of the life of a contractor today. We're always somewhere doing something with one of our clients. They always have us undertaken a lot of different projects. This guy called and said, hey, I got a little unusual request. I know you gotta do pool decks. Mine's gonna be a little stubborn. It's got 3 different coatings on it. It's a older pool, but I want to rehab it. I know you guys can handle this job, so come on down and knock it out. That's what we just finished. Talk to you guys later.
That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.